Auto ist blau oder mein Auto ist rot. Das Auto ist rot. Das Blume ist grün. Die Farben. Are you asking yourself what exactly is happening here? Kein Problem. Did you get a chance to learn German language in one of the greatest institutes like Goethe Institutes? Kein Problem. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the basic and in most simplified way of learning over 20 different colors in German language. If this is the kind of video you would like to watch, please like, comment and subscribe. Watch till the end, okay? So, colors, it is called die Farben. Die Farben, okay? And if it is one color, it is die Farbe. Die Farbe, one color. So, without wasting time, los geht's. As you all know, there are three primary colors that one must, it's a must for one to understand and know them, okay? Either you are a colorblind or you are okay with the colors. There are these three primary colors that it is a must for you to know. The first color, it is obvious, red. Red, it is called hot. Next, number 2 is blau. Blau is blue, okay? Then the third one, it is gelb. That is yellow color. Yellow, red, blue, gelb, hot, blau. These are the primary colors that one must know. In Deutsch, they are called Grundfarben, primary colors. Then we have weitere Farben, additional colors, okay? Now let's proceed. Light green. Next, brown, okay? This is brown. Next, beige, just like in English, beige, okay? We also have rosa, okay? This is pink color, pink. Then we also have turquoise, okay? Then we have orange, orange color, okay? As you know, orange color, it is exactly like the orange fruit, okay? We also have violet or the lila. You can call it lila or the violet. It means purple, okay? Remember, in English, there is a color that is violet and there is a color that is purple. They're not the same. But here in German, violet or lila, it all means one color, which is purple. And you can see the spelling of violet, okay? Then we have golden, as just like in English. We also have silvan. Then we have grau. This is gray. Then we have the most obvious one, which is schwarz, okay? Schwarz is black color. And if it is super black, pure black, you can call it pechschwarz. This means super black. We also have weiß with an S set, okay? S set. This is white color, okay? Like the color of as white as snow. Snow is Schnee. So it is Schneeweiß. Schneeweiß is the super white. It is purely white, okay? Magenta. Just like in English, magenta. We also have smug. This is emerald. Then we also have crema. This is cream color. You see the spelling, cream. Then we have bunt. This is something like it's multicolored. It has more than a lot. It has lots of colors. It is colored. Okay, it is called bunt. Okay, it is colorful. Okay. Kuntabant, it's now super colorful. It is extremely colored. You see, there is a certain festival in Indian culture where they mix a lot of colors and they start applying them on people's face. I really don't know what it really means. If you know, please share it with me on the comment section. Let me know the meaning of that festival. I don't know, it's called color festival or something like that. They always apply on the people's faces. We also have dark blue. Remember, blue is blau. So dark blue, it will be dunkelblau. Okay. We also have hellblau. Blau is blue and hell is light, so it will be light blue. Remember, there are some colors which takes a dark and some they take light. So if it takes a dark, you will say dunkel, then you add that color that it is taking. For instance, zum Beispiel, if it is dark blue, dunkelblau, dark green, you will say dunkelgrau. Okay, you will just replace it. And if it is light, you will say hell or the gift. Okay, hell or gift, they all means light. So you'll say gift green or hell green. So we have hell blau. Okay, just like that. Now that you have known all the 20 plus colors, let's ask ourselves a very small question that will help us to construct a very simple beginner-friendly sentence that will help us understand these colors. Zum Beispiel, welche Farben ist das? Welche Farben ist das? Which color is this? Welche Farbe ist das? Maybe you have different colors and now you are asking someone to tell you the exact color that you are having. Okay, then the person you are asking will respond, das ist blau, das ist grün, das ist schwarz, depending on the color that is there. Okay, we can also ask ourselves, welche Farbe hat dein Buch? Welche Farbe hat dein Buch? Which color is your book? And then you respond. Okay. You can also ask someone, you can also respond, das Buch ist blau. You respond, das Buch ist blau. Though I don't know if we have blue books, but since we are learning colors, the aim and the goal here is to be able to construct a beginner-friendly sentence. Let's use another example with the das article. So, mein Auto ist blau. Mein Auto ist blau. Was ist deine Lieblingsfarbe? Was ist deine Lieblingsfarbe? What's your favorite color? And if you have your favorite color, you just respond by saying, meine Lieblingsfarbe ist weiß. Okay? Remember, Farbe takes a D at mir steht blau. Mir steht blau. Steht blau, okay? Blue suits me. Oder mir steht green. Green suits me. Okay? You can also say eine rote Rosa. Eine rote Rosa. A red rose. Don't worry about this rota now because red is rot. Now I have added E. This is a topic in above levels. You will just learn them as you proceed with the course. Remember, this is just eins. I'm just giving you the basics. So you will say ein roter Rose, a red rose. Oder ein schwarzer Panther. Ein schwarzer Panther. A Black Panther. I don't know if you have ever watched this movie, one of the best movies. It's called Black Panther. So you just say ein schwarzer Panther, okay? Welche Farbe hat dein Auto? Welche Farbe hat dein Auto? Okay? Oder Mary, what color is your car? Then you respond by saying, mein Auto ist orange. I don't know if there is orange colors. Meine Auto ist blau. Okay. Anyway, that is it about colors. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Please, if this is the kind of comment you would like to watch, please go through the whole of my playlist. It is very helpful. Remember, I'm teaching you using Goethe Institute books. As I told you earlier in my videos, I'm a former student from Goethe Institute and I'm using my books to teach you. Anyway, give this video a like, comment and subscribe. Bye. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.